Hello, dear aquarist. In the background, you see one of the boats I was traveling on the Amazon, starting from Manaus, enjoying the beauty of the Amazon River, the nature, the fauna and flora. I recommend. And today I also will talk about an Amazon fish, or maybe an Orinoco fish, a Corydora pygmaeus, which is suffering from infections. And I share it because of my experience as a fish doctor. I have quite often to deal with specific fish, and here in this case, a fish that came from the wild and suffering from parasitic worms and a bacterial infection, case 282. My books on fish diseases explain you how you can diagnose, how you can prevent, and what exactly you should use as medications, how long and how much. I hope you have one of my books or you try to purchase them. See the link below. Here we see the Corydoras pygmaeus with red wounds and dying. Here we see it more closely. And we think, well, red wound, that's a bacterial infection. Yes, certainly it might be very close to your diagnosis, but still, something else might also troubling the fish, causing the bacterial infection. We could see here the gills, some fused lamellae. See, not pure, nice to see lamellae, but they're all fused together. So that means that the gills will not properly function anymore. And inside we found these worms. Those kind of internal worms. It's a cystode type of worm. A trematode, I'm sorry, it's a trematode worm. I have to correct myself. Which type it is, I don't want to know. I don't want to spend time systematically, but I know when it's a trematode, I know what kind of medications I can select, which are properly used and experienced in our industry, in the hobby and in the fish farming, what is working properly. At the same time, we found the organs to be affected. You could see here the liver in a bad condition. Of course, secondary bacterial infections appear because the fish has been weakened due to the worm, maybe also due to the stress of handling, lack of food, overcrowding, shipping maybe, poor acclimation. Many reasons could affect that the secondary bacterial infection pops up because the fish has been weakened. So the treatment is, first of all, to understand that wild fish do have often a parasitic worm infection, particularly Amazon fish. And when the fish get too weak, here in this case due to the parasitic worms, they can come down with a secondary bacterial infection, and that kills finally the fish. And that's what you have to treat as soon as possible. Try to use an antibacterial medication. Ask your aquarium shop or your fish doctor or your veterinarian. At the same time, you have to treat against the worms. In this case, in our books, we describe the use of praziquantel, fenbendazole, or mebendazole. Ask your fish doctor or aquarium shop. And at the same time, you can help to improve the health of your fish with a functional fish food like Dr. Bassleer Fish Food pumpkin seed extract. That helps in the control and helps in the health of your fish. My books on fish diseases help you to understand what you can do. Also, the training you can get at my Patreon channel could be very helpful for you. So I thank you again for watching one of my videos. I have so many. If you like Corydoras, I have several videos on Corydoras available. Check my playlist on catfish. Thank you for watching.